infrastructure space, sources are indicating that the government has decided to speed up the Delhi-Mumbai Industrial Corridor project with while the approval really for logistic data bank is in, the environmental clearances, we understand, are still being awaited. In fact, Anvesha is joining us on that story. Anvesha, so it's likely that the contracts for the DMIC will be floated by the end of this year.
Well, yes, word is coming from the Commerce Ministry that the government is expediting its infrastructure projects. The DMICDC that is looking after the Delhi-Mumbai Industrial Corridor is set to set up 7 industrial cities across 5 states. Environmental clearances for these have already been filed around June 30th, and tenders will be floated for 2 of these projects, that is the Sindra Bidkin Industrial Park and the Dholera Industrial Park, in December of this year. The government has already allocated 6,000 crores for the 2 industrial parks in September 2013. Contracts have also been awarded for the Haryana Integrated Industrial Township, for which the government has allocated 617 crores. There's another project called the Neemrana Solar Power Project, for which the EPC contracts have been floated in August 2014. Environment clearance for this is yet to come through. The projects are supposed to go functional in December. UP and Rajasthan are 2 of the states where there might be some issues with their industrial act, so they are in the process of amending these acts, and these amendments are expected to come through so that the DMIC project can be accommodated in these 2 states. Of course, approval is awaited on another project, that is the Logistic Data Bank project of Rewari, which is to come through soon. In principle, approval has already been given, and work is expected to start by the end of this year itself, and it is to go functional by June of 2015. So DMICDC is really working hard to sort of expedite these projects, and mid 2015 should see some action as far as the Delhi-Mumbai Industrial Corridor is concerned.